everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into IDFC credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into IDFC credit card online, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.idfcfirstbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of IDFC First Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button in order to open up this pop-up menu. Go and click on this login to new portal option, and this will open up a new tab. To log into your credit card account for IDFC, you'll first need to log in to your IDFC online banking account. Go ahead and type in your mobile number into the first text box that appears on the display and click on proceed to login. You'll need to log in with your OTP that has been sent on your mobile number and follow through the on-screen prompts. You'll be logged into your account, and now you can choose the credit card option and manage your credit card online with IDFC First Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.